Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Text Help's Read Aloud feature, specifically on a website. It's not really very much different from using it on a Google Doc or on a PDF, but there is a different feature that I'm going to show you today called Simplify Page. So here is the article that's from Encyclopedia Britannica about the Amazon rainforest. So I would come up to my Chrome browser, and here sitting in my Chrome browser is the read-write text help, read aloud feature. I engage it, and here's the menu bar. And I use my trackpad and my other finger, and I'm going to highlight where I want it to start reading, and here's the play button.
Amazon Rainforest, Region, South America. Written by the editors of Encyclopedia Britannica. See article history. Amazon rainforest, large tropical rainforest occupying the drainage basin of the Amazon River and its tributary.
And the big black box is the stop button. Now, when you find articles on the web, sometimes there are pictures or ads, and that interferes with the reading. So over here is the Simplify Page, and you can click on that, and Text Helps Read Write will declutter the page for you, and then you can even simplify it by a grade level or so if necessary. We can also make it a little more readable by increasing space between the lines. And then again, the same holds true. We're gonna, click where we want our reading to begin and hit that play button.
Amazon rainforest, large tropical rainforest occupying the drainage basin of the Amazon River.
And then the stop. Okay, I hope that helps you in knowing how to navigate Text Help's Read Write Read Aloud feature and how to simplify a page when reading web articles.